What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It's Jordan, aka PinoyShotArt. Welcome to another episode of Venture. Welcome to another episode of Venture Art. Today I'm bringing the dogs and we're gonna make them little Pokemon. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this episode. Welcome everybody to episode 2 of Venture Art. It's finally hot enough to go to the beach. An actual beach with the sun, you feel me? And we got some special guests today. We got our Pokemon, Guapo, and his sister, Gizzy.
Sister.
But yeah, I definitely want to do a Pokemon picture today. We're never gonna go to the beach on a sunny day. It's finally hot enough to go to the beach, an actual beach with the sun. But anyway, so as you guys saw with the damn fires, we ended up having a little picnic. So we're probably gonna do some we're gonna eat first. Look at these. Guapo man, Gizzy man, bless you. What are those? Welcome back, everybody. So yeah, I had to switch the whole plan of, we were supposed to go to the beach, but the fires are wilding right now. So we just ended up going to a park. So we got our picture right here, and I actually started drawing it just so I could get a feel for where I wanted to go with it. I mean, the reference picture we took is very, not boring, but it's pretty basic. So I wanted to add a little perspective in my drawing. So that's what you see me doing right now. So yeah, let's start drawing. All right, so as far as storytelling goes, it's pretty straightforward, and that's how I want it to be. Me versus Diane, and our dogs were fighting each other. So that's pretty much where I wanted to go. I'm actually taking a digital course right now, and we're learning about perspective. So I wanted to put this drawing in perspective. So that's why I made Diane, or in this case, Misty, I made her really smaller off to the horizon. So this orange line is the horizon line. So everything that gets closer to that line gets smaller. Off camera, I just cleaned up all the lines and then I filled in all the colors. But a big mistake that I always make is zooming in too much. I zoom in and get all the details here, but then when you pull it out, you can barely see that unless you like stare like this close. Now I want to focus on the background. I think there's too much going on here because I really want to focus on the action. So I'm gonna go ahead and lower my canvas a little, probably like this much. See, by doing that, Ash and Misty take up like 2/3 of the whole canvas. I'm just gonna focus on the background in this part and then I'll check back with you guys. All right, so I'm gonna work on the background a little later, but I added these white lines just so you can see the distance between them. Right now, I want to put like a spotlight, like they're coming down on both of the Pokemon. So this will help me when I shade all the characters. Pikachu will be more lit up on this side, and then right here will be a little darker. So I'm just trying to gauge how it's supposed to be. See, look how much of a difference it makes just off first glance. And like spotlight like that is really powerful in your art. So this is the before and then after. And then I'm even play with the opacity a little more. All right, so it's starting to come together. I actually moved Ash from like over here, closer to the middle. Like it's like you're playing on your Game Boy type of vibe. Like all the action's going on here, and I feel like I should put something in this kind of empty spot. So I was thinking maybe I should put like Mew, because you know how Mew is always watching and he always trying to play because no one knows he exists, so no one really be playing with him. So I'm just gonna make him like stalking out here. All right, guys, that is a wrap for today's episode. Say goodbye to the Pokemon. Pikachu.
Bye.
Vaporeon.
Bye, peeps.
All right, well, thank you guys for watching. And if you really like this episode, I'm going to do more of them. So subscribe. I'm dropping a new video every Friday. And yeah, leave a comment, please. And I read all my comments. I respond to all of them, and they really mean a lot to me. So, and thumbs up this video, because the more activity on my YouTube videos, the better it is for my channel. So I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.